Hi guys. Today we will have a very short lesson, but on a rather important topic, for Microsoft account, how to sign in with a local account instead. And after that, how to get back to your Microsoft account. Before starting the process, I must say that after logging into a local account, all your personal files and documents, as well as all the programs, applications and games that you installed earlier, all your data will remain unchanged. To avoid problems in the process of changing the account status, please prepare your Microsoft account details in advance. We will need to enter the account name in the form of an email address, or your phone number, or Skype login, and also prepare your account password Microsoft. If you forgot something from this, here you can recover your username or password. And so, click Start. Then, Settings. Click Accounts. In this window, you can see that my Windows is controlled by a Microsoft account. Click here. And now to log in with a local account, click here. The system warns us about some changes after changing the status of the account. I click Next. You need to enter your PIN to confirm. In this window, you need to come up with and enter any of your names. Here you need to enter a new password to log into the system. But you cannot enter a new password, but leave this field blank and enter Windows without a password. I'll do that. Next. Before taking the next step, make sure that all your programs and applications are closed, and then click Sign Out and Finish. I don't have a password. I click Enter. And Windows booted up fine. I click Start. Then, Settings. Accounts. Now we see my local account instead of a Microsoft account, and if you follow me step by step, I hope that everything is going well for you too. And so, to go back to the Microsoft account again, in this window, click here. Then click Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. This window requires you to enter the Microsoft account information you received, or create a new Microsoft account. I enter my details. Next. Now you need to enter a password, but if you forgot your password, you can click Forgot your password, and then follow the system's recommendations to recover it. I enter my password. Sign in. In this window, you need to enter a password for the local account, but I did not create a password and now I will leave the field blank, and click Next. For a Microsoft account, it is necessary to create a PIN code and I will do it. Here again we see the recovered Microsoft account. And so, we have reached the end of this short tutorial, and if you have any questions and suggestions, leave them below and share this helpful video with your friends, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Good luck!